Good morning from Graham Family Farm. Today it's wet, cold, and dark again. On a few pieces of firewood here. Oh, I guess I'm loaded. It's wet. We're running out of smaller pieces here. I have to go down with the chainsaw and chop some more of this up. Be nice when it's out of here. Yeah, level this dirt a little bit this spring. Well, the pigs are calling. I hear Penelope over there. Just throwing a fit. Yeah, it's making a lot of noise. As soon as I pull over there, I know Harold will be yelling at me. Well, you can hear Harold. Yeah, my coffee cans end up again at the house because taking eggs up. Hang on. Alright, Harold. Yes, I know you're always hungry. Oh, your water. Oh, good. You didn't knock it over. Hang on. Well, that's a different chicken noise. It's purring. Maybe it thinks it's a cat. Well, everybody's happy with their apples and their corn and the green and their alfalfa. Hey, if you need some pigs, I got 2 of them here that need to go. Gave them the same. Oh, I forgot. I also gave them beans. So they like those beans. As you can see, Labradoodle took a piece of wood off the golf cart. Where is that dog? She's always looking for trouble. She found another piece of wood to chew on. Well, that's about all I got today. There's no real excitement going on here. It's cold. It's about 43 degrees. And it's wet out here, muddy. And I think we have 90 more days until spring. I can't wait. These are in the spring, it rains, we have mud, then it dries up. But right now, we just have mud. And the only chance of it drying up is being freeze dried. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Have a great afternoon.